Within the armed forces, there is a bond which goes beyond words, built on trust, shared purpose, and care for one another. That bond extends to families who keep it alive every day, especially when someone has gone. Lennon and Ruby Palin lost their father, Cpl Mark Palin, in Afghanistan. Recently, they returned to his regiment to see where he worked, where he laughed, and where he is still very much remembered. This is a tribute to love, resilience, and the enduring promise to keep his memory alive.
Remembrance has been a massive part of mine and Ruby's life. We think about it all the time, and it's a constant. I was 1 year old when my dad passed away.
I was born 4 months after he died, but I still feel like I've got that kind of bond with him, even if I've never met him. They always say I look like him. Most people say to Lennon that he's got the same kind of humour as him, but I wouldn't say he's that funny.
I've got a lot of good memories of serving with Mark. More than anything, he was a friend to a lot of people. I remember coming up to his patrol base and him telling me that he was having a little girl. His face was just smiling ear to ear. We went on a patrol in Afghanistan in 2011. Mark was killed. He was 32 years old and sadly just taken away from us too soon. I've always stayed close with the family, and I had the honour to then be Lennon's godfather.
Mum has told us how much the regiment meant to him, where he spent a lot of time with his friends for life, really, and to go there is a massive privilege.
Hi guys, you all right? I want to show you around some places and have a nice catch up. This is the gym to obviously honour our fallen comrades, and we've got your dad here.
He looks very happy there.
Yeah, he's smirking there because we used to play tricks on each other, and I told him that he needed to turn up for our pictures in civvies, and we're all laughing at him because he's wearing shorts. A good memory to have.
It's still raw for our family to this day.
Absolutely, it's how I think about it every day as well, and just got to try and be strong. Like, I know that I can see the strength in you guys for your mum, and just know that we're always here for you and always will be. This is the One Rifles Memorial Garden, where the battalion come and take a time to remember our friends, your dad. Seeing Lennon and Ruby growing, and when you're around them, it's like he is there still.
Seeing his face and his name all over this camp just makes me feel a lot more closer to him.
Okay.
In my eyes, he'll always be my hero.
I hope this world rises to meet every dream inside your head. And I hope you'll always believe if the sun should set, may you always know what you mean to me. Oh, stand here and take your time. You're ready
Book of Remembrance, joined by the remarkable young people of Scotty's Little Soldiers, supported by their devoted friends, in memory of lost loved ones.